People get this equation wrong because they solve it like this. 1 minus 5 equal to negative 4 times 1 minus 5 again will give us negative 4 again. Let's put this in parentheses. And negative 4 times negative 4 equal to 16. So you can see 16 is not correct. To solve this equation correctly, we have to follow the order of operation called pemdas. Using this pemdas, P here stands for parentheses. You do the one in parentheses first. E stands for exponents. After the parentheses, you do the one that has exponent. After that, we will do multiplication and division from left to right. And finally, we do addition and subtraction from left to right. Now, looking at the one in parentheses, we can see that we have 1 and minus 5. So 1 minus 5 will give us negative 4. So we have a new equation which is 1 minus 5, then negative 4 in parentheses. Okay, now we have multiplication here. All right, so we are going to be doing the multiplication before we do the remaining one. Now, okay, so negative 5 multiplied by negative 4 will give us 20. So we have 1 plus 20. Okay, and 1 plus 20 equal to 21. So the correct answer to this equation is 21.